चुप कीजिए
या तो मैं बोलूं।
सर, प्लीज पुट द हाउस इन ऑर्डर। चुप कराइए। आप इनको बोलिए, आप इनको बोलिए।
2024 में बिल लाके आज अमेंडमेंट लाना पड़ रहा है। अरे शर्म
इसको
करो,
बंद कीजिए,
शर्म करो।
इसको बंद कराइए। सरसा होने दीजिए, सरसा।
Sir, every student
बैठो,
deserves
बैठो।
Sir, every student deserves.
बैठिए, बैठाइए इसको।
Sir, paper leak after leak, exam cancellation after exam cancellation, student pushed into depression, parents pushed into debt, dreams pushed into uncertainty. Sir, the BJP government calls itself a government of new India. Sir, young India today asks only one question. If this is new India, why do our examination paper leaks with such
Sir,
remarkable
one second.
consistency?
Ask them to be quiet.
We support this bill, but I want to make it very clear in the beginning that just because we support this bill doesn't mean, or the government should expect us to applaud those who set the world on fire because they turn up with a bucket of water. We support this bill and the amendment because no responsible political party
Yeah.
we
अरे चुप कीजिए।
या तो मैं बोलूं।
सर,
या
प्लीज
तो वो
पुट द
बोले या
हाउस
तो
इन
मैं
ऑर्डर। चुप कराइए। आप इनको बोलिए, आप इनको बोलिए।
2024 में बिल लाके आज अमेंडमेंट लाना पड़ रहा है। अरे शर्म
इसको
करो,
बंद कीजिए,
शर्म करो।
इसको बंद कराइए। सरसा होने दीजिए, सरसा।
Sir, every student
बैठो,
deserves
बैठो।
Sir, every student deserves.
बैठिए, बैठाइए इसको, बैठाइए।
सर आप देख लीजिए चर्चा कौन चाहता है, चर्चा कौन चाहता है, कौन नहीं चाहता है।
सभी से निवेदन है,
सर बिल पे,
सभी से निवेदन है, आप सब लोग बैठिए प्लीज। सभी से निवेदन।
सर बिल पे चर्चा कौन चाहता है और कौन नहीं चाहता है ये साफ है सर, ये दिख रहा है। Every student deserves the assurance that examinations should be fair. Every parent deserves the confidence that success is determined by hard work, talent, and integrity, not by money, influence, or organized criminal syndicates. But support for this bill cannot be a substitute for accountability. A stronger law is necessary, yes, but by itself is not sufficient. If examination continues to be compromised by systematic failures, no amendment, however stringent, will restore the faith that million students have lost. That is the question before this August House today, sir. But let me also say this. The bill that is being discussed is not a solution. Rather, this bill is an admission. It is an admission that the NDA and the BJP government have failed. It failed to protect examinations. It failed to protect the students. It failed to protect the merits. And today, after the failure exploded across the country, it wants Parliament to believe that increasing punishment will erase 12 years of incompetence. Well, it will not. This government has mastered one art. Whenever governance fails, they change the law. Whenever administration collapses, they increase punishment. Whenever institutions fail, they announce another committee. But governance is not done by headlines. Governance is measured by outcomes. So what is the outcome? So paper leak after leak, exam cancellation after exam cancellation, student pushed into depression, parents pushed into debt, dreams pushed into uncertainty. So the BJP government calls itself a government of new India. Sir, young India today asks only one question. If this is new India, why do our examination paper leaks with such
Sir,
remarkable
one second.
consistency?
Ask them to be quiet.
आप बैठिए।
नहीं, आप इनको
पहले
बिठाइए।
बैठिए।
नहीं, आप इनको
आप
बिठाइए।
बैठिए।
नहीं, आप इनको बिठाइए। आप बिठाइए इनको।
इनको इनको हंगामा करना है तो हंगामा करिए। सर यही नहीं चाहते सदन चले।
किसी का कोई रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रहा है, केवल जो भक्ता है उसका रिकॉर्ड में जा रहा है। be seated.
Sir,
Muazzin, please be seated. To your seat.
सर वहाँ से भी
Don't
दूसरे
talk.
ट्रेजरी बेंचेस पे जो मेंबर्स चिल्ला रहे हैं, आप उनको भी बोलिए शांति बना के रखिए।
आप अपना विषय रखिए, अपना विषय रिकॉर्ड में जा
opposition
रहा
से
है।
एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि हम लोग
Exactly.
चुप रहे और ये लोग
Please be
चिल्लाए।
seated. आप बैठे सब लोग।
सर मैं
बैठा हुआ।
He is disturbing continuously.
Don't disturb the
they
speaker,
don't want the
please.
discussion.
Don't disturb the
The
speaker.
treasury benches doesn't want the house to run. They don't want discussion.
Those two are going on disturbing.
No, you are not allowed
No,
to speak.
sir, you
No.
tell them no.
So why
No.
not? If
No,
they can
Muazzin.
speak from there,
This type of behavior
you
not
cannot
good.
silence and
Not
stifle
good,
the voice of
Muazzin. Please sit.
opposition.
Please sit.
You cannot do that.
Please sit.
No.
They are all sitting. They are all
Every
sitting.
member of
Please
this
be
house,
seated. Please be
every
seated.
member of this house has to be treated
Please
equally.
be seated. You continue, please.
Why you are disturbing so much?